Are you a person who often go to bank and get confused about checks or draft? Well, welcome back to Anupurna Education Point. I am Anushree and today I am going to tell you about basic difference between draft and checks. So, let's get started. Number 1 point, draft is prepaid while check is postpaid. Number 2, account is not mandatory in draft while it is mandatory in checks. Number 3, bank will take some charge against draft, but in case of check, bank won't take any charge. Number 4, draft cannot be dishonored while check can be dishonored. Number 5, and the last point is, draft is always issued a specific organization while checks can be issued to anyone. I hope now you understand the basic difference of draft and check. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.